Hey everyone, good morning. It's Sunday morning. It is, pull that up again, 9/16, December 30th. Doing the last of the breaks of the week, and then over there is my shipping. So I will do shipping over there. That will be done after I do these last three breaks of the morning. Here is the sign-up sheet. This is the Strata Football 2012 Strata Football box break ending 12/28. And here is the sheet. Let me go back up.
Well, it's that time of year again. Time to get a holiday deal on a Ram truck. A truck that will pretty much...
And then back down.
With a legendary Hemi engine and proven durability that goes the distance. And while most families bring their kids...
Alright, there we go. And here is the Strata. Empty box. And we are off. Get situated here. Alright, we got Drew Brees, Sean Green, Antonio Gates, the Shield die cut, Isaiah Pede for the Rams. It's Walnut, Luke Kuechly, and Courtney Upshaw. Jeremy Macklin, Rob Gronkowski, Peyton Manning, Jake Locker, Chandler Jones, and TJ Graham. Julio Jones, Victor Cruz, Mike Wallace, Troy Polamalu, Joe Adams, and Michael Floyd. Just base cards, nothing too exciting yet. Willis McGahee, Aaron Hernandez, Jimmy Graham, Randy Moss, Trent Richardson rookie, and Whitney Mercedes. Michael Crabtree, Eli Manning, Beanie Wells, Brandon Marshall, Fletcher Cox, and Ryan Broyles. Tim Tebow, Aaron Foster, I don't know why that's upside down, Jared Allen, Carson Palmer, Russell Wilson rookie, Jarius Wright. Still looking for our hit. Might fell into the Strata, I think it was the first box. Matt Ryan, Aaron Rodgers, LeGarrette Blount, and JD, Ronnie Hillman, and Nick Foles, rookie. This one might be a hit. And it is. Michael Turner, Ray Rice, Reggie Wayne, and the hit is a Colt, Kobe Fleener for the Colts, and that is Seattle. Let's see, Jay Cutler, Alex Smith, Ahmad Bradshaw, Matt Flynn, Alshon Jeffrey, and Isaiah Pede. See, Adrian Peterson, will he be 200? I think he needs 205 yards today to break the record. Frank Gore, Lamar Miller, Brock Osweiler. Chris Johnson, Andy Dalton, big game for Romo tonight. Jacoby Harris for it looks like the Eagles. And that goes to Walnut. Autograph for the Eagles, Michael Agnew, Michael Brockers. Fred Jackson, Roddy White, Tom Brady, Larry Fitzgerald, Andrew Luck rookie, and Ruben Randall. Dwayne Bowe, DeMarcus Ware, Wes Welker, Miles Austin, Melvin Ingram, and DeVar Posey. Let's see, I think we're going for one more hit. Reggie Wayne, Hakeem Hicks, Steve Smith, Darrell Revis, Nick Toon, Bernard Pierce. Vincent Jackson, Clay Matthews, Marcus Colston, Ndamukong Suh, Chris Givens, Bruce Irvin. 208 yards, I just said. I thought it was 205 yards again. Reggie Bush, Darren Sproles, Justin Blackman out of 299 for Jaguars. R8 R11 gets that one. Fan base. McFadden, Sam Branford, Tony Gonzalez, Brent Robinson, Robin Turbin, and Stephen Hill. And the last pack. Who was that? Jermichael Finley, Anquan Bolden, Vernon Davis, Deshaun Jackson, Sean McClain, and Kendall Wright. All right, guys, there you have it. That was the Strata from the 28th. So, again, I appreciate it. Keep checking out the auctions. Big C 2014. Thanks, man.